What's up? What's up, everybody? This is Jerry Wonder, your captain, speaking on our game dev journey. Um, so far I took a little bit longer about get what I need done, but I was able. I had to do a few changes. But I'll share with y'all in about 3, 2, 1. Hi, how you guys doing? Um, so far I was able to get the effects and the other things in. I was able to get the visual effects, and I was able to get the special abilities set up a little properly. For one, for example, I had to do a lot of changes within the code in order for me to actually use it and have it change in game. I think got through all of it, but I might need to go back in it again to just make sure everything's kind of working. Like I think for it now, if I go into my game instance, so far there's a thing I have, like, get special attack skill, which gets the grabs the skill, and I'm not sure if that's actually being called for anything at the moment. There's also a way to get special attack. I think that's kind. I think that's kind of about it there. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take a look at I'm gonna take a look at the code. I'm gonna take a look at the update, take a look at the blueprint code real quick, and once I'm done, I'm gonna jump into and finally jump into AI, like the AI of it, not like the generative AI, but the enemy AI stuff. So real quick, um, I made changes into what my special attack variable is. It used to be like used to be a subclass of special attack. Now it's just a event. No, not event. Excuse me. A dead asset of a it's the day asset called Holo skill. It just lays all the information we need for what we need for that skill, and have it be done. Like, for example, if I have this that gives out that tells us what the special attacks are and have that filled in, that sort of thing, and it will give out information about this. I think I sorry, I'm a little scatterbrain in the moment. So it's like I'm just kind of basically trying to make sure all the information is actually there and there's no hiccups about it. Okay, we got character info. Let me go into here. Let me make sure that it has this information here. Let's see. And then let me go into my something. There we go. Play. Make sure everything's kind of working properly. I'm still getting my my thing showing up. Cool. Okay, escape. Okay. I still see attacks. We don't have our abilities in here. I hit Q. Does this, which is cool. And those abilities that are counting down and doing damage to them is still working. And each time it counts down, it gets rid of one. That's cool. Okay. Our special is able to get this thing refilled. What the heck? It's adding another stack. Okay, hold up a second. Okay. Why? Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Why is he doing that? Okay, that was not supposed to happen. Okay. Let me think about this. S3 tinnitus. If I am already giving them tinnitus, they should not be getting a different stack of tinnitus. Hold 1 second. I want to check out my abilities component. Yeah, abilities component is where I add all my stuff here. 1 second. All right, sorry about that. Let's see. We are. Let's see. We should. I mean, if we already have a stack, if I'm already hitting them with a stack, they should not be getting another one. But let me find out what's happening here. Current ability. Okay. Continue. Will probably be a lot. Continue using. Okay. So when we do our special, it's going to create a new ability, and I think it's going to do that. So that's cool. It's also checking the inaction, so it's making sure that this exists, and it's also allowing us to add a stack. Okay. That's perfect. I'm also having to take a look at the dash because I know that we have some elevation in the room, and we also have a way to actually it's already elevated. I don't think we're gonna get I don't think we're able to get through it anyways. But then again, I think we might. If I get this room again, I want to try to dash into it. All right. We're adding abilities. try this one. Okay, yeah, I'm able to get through here. I need to fix that. Okay, we're adding abilities. Cool. I want to. Well, I'm thinking here. Well, I'm looking. It's like I want to know. Yes, I'm. I want to see if we're creating ability. Yes, but I also want to make sure that we are also not just having this call every time. Because I want to make sure I'm this is also working as well. Wait, inaction ability. This should be false. Yeah. Yes, it was that for a little bit more. Oh wait. Oh, I see. I see what's happening. I'm adding stacks. I'm forgetting to break it at the end. I mean, I'm adding stacks, but I forgot to set the create ability false. Not it should not be in here. It should be out here. So now we should be. So now if I took that out and try this again, we should have the abilities being stacked, and we're not creating another stack of tinnitus. Alright, I'm gonna make a quick build and try and make sure this is actually working now. Go in the main game. Let's go in here. Let's go ahead and start attacking. Right, cool. We're gonna grab jab. We're going to go over here. I need to actually realize I need to test that chicken nugget thing. See if that is actually working, because I actually added in a ability that allows you to have the chicken nuggets. And I forgot to try it out. Oh, also one more thing. I extended the map a bit, so now the map kind of ends right here. So we had to go. So I need to go back all the way back down here just to get working. Also, I could do that by pressing the A or S. There we go. Let me choose. Also, I probably need to do something a bit more about how the player sees it and how will the player know which one to select, because I kind of right now they're all the same, but it should be for like things that are not that you should not be able to select. Like you're able to select you're able to select this, and this, and we know the lines are here that you can't you can go through, but there's nothing telling it how to if I can select this or click this. I mean, I can click this. I can say you and say you can't select this node because that node's closed out to you. But anyways, all right. Now let's see. Let's do a full. There we go. Now it's better. Ooh, that's a very good question. To my that I need to tell myself. Does the special increase the stack, or just add stacks to that's already, or does it add stacks to it? I'm probably ask my guy later on after this. Let's see. I can go here and I can purchase the echoing voice again. I also need to have something visual up here. So just so you can tell what abilities to have and what level is at. Because if you didn't know the those past abilities stack, I want to make sure you're able to do that. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's see. We got another second jab, so we'll start increase. Tells us we can add more. I mean, no, we can add more or add more into the. There we go. Check modifier. Okay. So far everything's kind of working well. Everything should be doing exactly what it needs to do. I definitely need to actually have us play test the game later on in the future. What I also need to do now is actually have enemy scale on attack. I mean, I need enemies to scale based on which node you're on. And I think I do have a way we could do. I do have a way we could do that. In our game instance. In our game instance, we have a what? Oh, okay. I'm blanking out on the word. We have this thing where it counts on its thing integer index on the node's index. Like whenever it goes up, it goes up by 1. Hey, how you doing? How you doing, Sturm? Quick question: were you able to watch my stream yesterday, or were you even here yesterday? Because I kind of made an accident, oopsie, and I didn't realize I was not that I was not streaming on the right video streaming part on YouTube. But here, anyways, back in here. We have a way to. We had a way to. Yeah, this one. Like visit node ID, and what I'm pretty much want to do here is. Okay, okay. I was wondering about that. Like it was like I was kind of be honest. I was kind of. I say it's not weird, but it's like it was kind of funny. I actually just like was streaming and like I was wasn't sure what's going on. And I look at my YouTube stream and all of a sudden, like my my YouTube doesn't show my my thing, not my channel, my recorded video. It's not showing my stream, and like what the heck? And then I found out that I am streaming, but I'm not streaming on that not streaming on that one. I'm streaming on the one that was just created. So definitely tells me to make sure that to check your check if you're on the right channel if you're doing a dual stream. I mean I say double stream, but no. If you're doing a restream. A simulcast. That's probably the right word. I think no. It's more likely my mistake. I messed up on that. Okay. So node ID. And we're adding the node ID. Let me. The node ID usually will get called usually in the node map, or so I thought. Okay, maybe it's not in the node map. Part of the node. Yes, the node. And let's see. The node ID is gonna be. It's gonna set its own variable, I think. All right, and let's say it goes through the goes through each node. Does it increment? Does it add? It adds the map called node IDs. Where is it? Okay, so okay, I think I got it now. It is adding the nodes, and I can pretty much say get the last max node. I think. I think. Okay, yeah. I think I got it. So what I'm basically thinking right now is that I'm the way I'm each time I keep going forward in the game, it's going to add a node index, or more like a node ID into an array of node indexes that the game instance hold. So all I need to do is actually get the index, or actually the size of the node ID array in the game instance. And the way I do that is it's this: get visit node IDs, and we're getting the number. We're gonna get the array of it, and it's good thing it's pure, and I can do that. So that part is awesome. What I need next is to figure out how to, well, I think I could either figure out how to get the AI to scale up when we go to each node, or I could hold on that for right now and actually just work on the other AI that has been sitting in my folder for a very long time and not been used at all. And then after that, I can pretty much reach out to my guy and see what he thinks we should approach when scaling difficulty on enemies. Well, or actually, more likely, we just go end up butting heads and figure out what we want the enemies to do. Real quick, I just need to find my. Here we go, AI. I need to name this differently. There we go. This guy have not been used at all. Does it work? 1 second. Okay, almost worked. Let's see. Compile. What else is here? Attack collision. We are not using attack collision anymore. Okay. Let's see. For what's wrong with you now? Jail era combat business level direction component. Direction component? Okay. It is, but it's more. It kind of does, but it's more likely just a It's supposed to be a sentinel. A sentinel that shoots lasers. However, we haven't implemented the laser part or implemented any projectiles in the game yet. Okay, I think we don't need any of this. I think we should be good here. At least for right now. It is using bonk for some reason. Because I think its AI is somewhat similar to. Yeah, it's somewhat similar to the jailer. It's not different. In any way. But I'm going to need to make sure that their action is set to. Well, it's set to. It's set to the right. It's set to the one we want right now. Let me test if everything's kind of working properly with this enemy. Kinda is. Oh, maybe not. Actually, let me do me a big favor. Get rid of the rest of the Get rid of the rest of the enemies. Wait. Okay. Okay, so all of this stuff still kind of works. Awesome. What do we need here? Give me a moment. I need to take a look at my instructions. Well, not instructions, but more likely just our ideas in the moment. Maybe not ideas. I mean, like post jam idea. Okay. Okay. So for our sentry, we are shooting this enemy is shooting a laser directly at the player. Let's see. Well, we don't have the laser right now, but we do have I do have a bar, and I think the way we need to make sure this works. If I duplicate this, I'm gonna call this laser. Was an S, now Z. We are going to need a spawn indicator, and fortunately for me, I have this set up. I think it's gonna be like a rectangle. Oh wait, we don't want it in a cone. Spawn indicator rectangle. We need the position, its rotation. Length. I think that's called, for this one's height. Wait, yaw rotation? Yaw rotation. Time. Time is. I think something I need to take care of later on, but it's set to that time. The yaw rotation. Yaw rotation. Let's see. Don't we have a width? I don't know what the yaw rotation is. Because we already have a rotation. I don't know what the yaw rotation here is for. Let's see, and we actually set this one to as a line. So we want this to be a trace. That's for sure. Number of traces, we don't want a fan angle, that needs to be false. The forward direction, we are using this as the forward direction. Orientation, we have a oh, hello. Oh, that's right. We don't need to use this anymore. At least I think we don't need to use it anymore. Do we need to use it anymore? Well, no, we don't need to use it anymore because we have this. And it does this. Okay. And where does the orientation come from? Okay, so that could be 0. Pattern degree per trace, and I think that should be it. Let's see. Let's see if it go back to laser, and if I go into this distance, I can set the distance to about 200 if I want. 2000. And if I get close, it's still doing the fan because I didn't set the fan, I didn't set the back up. There we go. Now it shall do the laser. It did fan anyways. Okay. So let me look at so I'm gonna look back in here and make sure we have the fan trace to false. We only need laser of 1. Okay. 1. Okay, it's coming out 2. Okay, it's coming out with 2 for a second. Okay, so 0, 1. Okay. Hmm. Okay, that's why. It's coming out with 2 because it is it's coming out. It came out 2 because the reason why is brain empty. Just trying to think about it right now. The reason why is because this is not this needs to be the max value minus 1. Then it'll come out by 1. But now I got my bot. So now we got our bot to shoot a quote unquote laser. I will need to expand on that laser a bit more. Wait, am I using the right tech matter? I think I am. There we go. And the width is at 70. If I were to set this width to about 200, what would that look like? Okay. We got the width, but we don't have. But that did anything with the trace. So I think what's happening in here is we don't. Yeah, we don't have a way to put the width in there. Okay, I thought it was a little weird. Half size. Yeah. It's weird. Okay. And this one for the player, we need to make sure that's taken care of. Okay, we should be good here. Let's take a look at now. Okay. Width is way too big. Way too big. I think. Doesn't match the... It doesn't match the laser's attack. Action, attack, power, and trace width. Huh. See if I turn off offset by width. Oh, what? Okay, no, we need to keep that. Why yaw rotation is different though? What if it says it's 60? What happens then? Okay. What if I multiply this by 2? Let me pull it down. Let me have it pull down here, and let me actually have it pull up here. Okay, it seems like it looks like it's the right. Yeah, this is the right scale of the attack. So I need to make sure that I need to multiply this. I need to multiply this by 2. Okay. Ooh-wee. Okay. Hmm. Let's take a look at the attacks and see what. It's not interrupting his attack. Like when it gets hit, it doesn't stop. Okay. think it is getting destroyed, but I don't think it's stopping the animation of it. I think it's actually the same for. If this is kind of the same for the other AI. Okay, let's take a look at this. The automation attack came out very weird. I think it's because I have this set on none when it should be set on arc. Or what's it called? Cone. I set the attack on. Should have the attack set on cone instead of that. One. Okay, that's still not correct. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's not doing any damage. I mean, there's a few different things I'm looking at. That's like I'm noticing, like some it's not doing any damage, some it's not, or it's not doing anything at all. Well, not doing anything at all, but it's not. The arc is not at the right spot per se. Like my math for my math on the arc is different. But that's like something I go look at and come back to it later. Oof. Hmm. Mm-hmm. If I say if we're not in range, we don't want to attack yet. Maybe I can have this. Um, Reports lower priority. I'm just changing a few things real quick because when it attacks, it follows. Okay. I don't think it's following right now. I think it's working. I think it's working now. Okay. Isn't a whole minute kind of too much? What do you mean by like a whole minute? Like, I might have lost you. Because right now, right now it's work. It kind of is working, but I wasn't sure what you mean like a like I'm not sure what you mean by like a whole minute. Oh, like you mean like the special attack or something else? The Q. Okay. All right. For I think for right now, yeah. I think for right now, yeah. But that's something I'm pretty much gonna end up playing around later on later around. But I said at the minute because I wasn't sure if the way we charge is going to be longer or shorter or anything like that. I put it in a minute because I put it in a minute because I want to try see what number we want to use our recast time for, and also check if it's working. I mean, it's already it's kind of proven it's already working. Plus, I'm just kind of playing around a bit, so I think yeah that it's probably a bit long, but it works right now. SDQ. Okay. Our Q is our default attack is not getting set. Let me look back into our action. Special attack level. Oh my god. It was not using the right special attack level. It was like using level 5, using level 1 special attack level. Let's see. I mean, I could adjust it for right now. I could adjust it. Yeah, I can adjust it. I just think I can adjust it. I'm just trying to think of what I want to adjust it to. Okay. Skill. All right. 30. That one for the sonic burst. The last one is next one is for you. Okay. Let me get the Narissa character. All right. Huh. Okay. It did change to 20. Did change to 30 seconds in the sonic wave. It didn't change the modify recast. Okay, Google, spell special. SPEI. That's why it's weird. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, interesting. We have modify action open. Is modify action not being called? I mean, you get a new action, yeah. And I need to rebuild real quick. Okay, so yeah, that's working. Okay. Default special attack is set to 1 still. Okay. That's okay, that's right. Because it is set to 1. I thought it was set at 5. I thought we set it at 5. Okay, now it's going to do its thing. Okay. There we go. Now it's doing its thing. Okay, okay, okay. Anyways, I think I also need to make sure that the special is his UI is actually set to what else it needs to be. His special attack. Okay. Okay. And there we go. Yeah, you can see the stars on the cube. This is only this one we only want this shown in the special and not the normal text like the left right spacebar text. There we go. Okay. I'll go ahead and set that back to 1. Ooh. Anyways, back to we have our enemies. We have our enemies moving. I think we need. I need to change the AI's behavior. Specifically the bot. Let's see. And the way we change it, well, it's basically me. I just duplicate this and go into the spot and change it. But usually make a duplicate of this and make this set to range. Go into range, switch from melee to range. Go into the AI, go to the bot. And change this from Holo AI to Holo AI range. That way we have we can see do its thing at that range. So it's doing an attack by this way. Okay. Let me adjust that a little bit more. Maybe set it to 120. Okay, yeah. That bot got real difficult. I think what I could do here, I can go in that attack, go into the laser, and change the recast time to not 0 seconds, but to 3 seconds. And it's not gonna do anything until 3 seconds. There we go. Look at that. All right, that's easy. Okay, but however, we will want to get out of his range. Range. I think I want to be able to I want it to move away from the player. And I think the way to do that is to, I mean, this way we already have its range. The it's 1200. It's 1200. That's basically the range of itself, and for it to distance itself from the player, I will need to. Well, the player needs to get close to him. You'll need to actually have it move away, I think. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. It's attacking, it's not dead, and of our is not in range, is in range. Okay. I think it's fine time to actually do some AI stuff. I mean, I'm doing AI stuff right now, but I'm actually going in here and seeing what to add and what to change. So far, it's set to this. We want to see, okay, we got the target actor. We are we have the line of sight of the target actor. Or figure out the distance. Okay. And we're able to change this word to have line of sight. Okay. What I want to do is I want to check a target to close, and I want to actually say can move away from target. This one we want to edit. If we can move away from target, we want to check if the target is too close. If distance too, actually, that actually probably works more better than this. Maybe. Hmm. Actually, let's knock that one out right now. Okay. Actually, if I'm thinking about this right now, is moving towards the target actor. What I'm thinking of is instead of like using a move to, I'm thinking of maybe making a custom one and having it move to a point. No, wait. If I'm thinking of things that's way too complicated in my head, I'm just gonna make all I'm gonna do is make a runaway range. And I'll go into the blackboard and add a boolean for that. Okay. Okay, I think that'll work. Just let me go back in the blackboard real quick and let me add in and runaway. There we go. Okay, so we need to figure out how to move away. Okay. We have a target location. But we don't have a target. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new service, and I want to have it check. I want it to check the best optimal range to be away from the player. So if right now, if the number is, if it's set to, if the target is set to 112. I mean, not 112, but 1200. I need to set. I need to set to a distance for it to move away. Maybe. Runway distance. Okay. I'm also here's what else I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about adding another system into it. And that is the environment query. Or I think the environment query. I haven't used an environment query for a very long time, and it's just that I'm not. It's just now I'm not trying to figure out what I want this to have. Because I know if I use the environment query, it's going to check what distance that could be optimal, which is something I'm pretty much looking at the moment. Let me see. Of course, I need to make sure this actually works. What I need to do is get or more or less create a blueprint class that use an environment query. And I'm trying to find that in controller. It might be a controller, it might be a pawn. Yeah, here it is. EQS testing. And all I need to do is drag this guy in here and throw an EQS like this, and we can see what it sees. Moves around. It has plenty of things to go with. Speaking of, I need to grab a player. Okay. That's kind of like a dance floor. Okay, so let's see. Okay. I think filter scores will be it's gonna be fine for right now. I just need to know we're just gonna need a environment query context. EBN context player. So let's see if I remember correctly. We go to provide a single actor by actor set. Maybe not this. Cast to BB player. I think that might be it. So if we do this, and we like this guy, everything's just set to red. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, maybe score. Filter. You know what? Let's try this. Okay, active class, find the player. Check if it's valid. Return that player. Because right now it's gonna be only just one player. There we go. There we go. Ow. Ow. That's so bright. Okay, cool. It's able to find this player. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Ow. Ow. Ooh. That's exactly what I'm looking for. And if you can see right here, you can see the score, and you can see it's the best score. If I want them to run away, if the player gets too close and I want them to run away, I want them to find the best floor possible, the best point possible for it to go. So this makes sense, I think. Okay, I can close that down. I think I can remove this right now. Yes. Okay, cool. Although looking at this, I think I'm gonna need to play around with this a little bit more in the future. All right, there we go. Because if I'm going to use this EVQ, I want to be able to check or be able to do something with it. I think EVQ is run EQS. Configuration. Maybe not. We don't need a query. Get rid of that, and let's move this from target location, and all that. Let's see how we get. Let's see if we get this work. Oh wait. Okay, I think. Okay, it's not working right. Okay, so let me see this. It's find the distance, I think, and we wanted to find the target location. Was not giving us the right one. PQS BlackBerry keyboard. That's not. I don't know what that is. Yeah, he's ignoring it, but that's not exactly how I want to intend this to happen. Wait. 1 second. Single actor, single location. Excuse me. Let me get rid of single actor, delete that. And I want it to give me the single location. Maybe that's maybe that will give us the value. All right. Okay. Okay, so I think the check attack range is probably might be wrong. As I keep saying, don't touch me. I'm going to work. Okay. Okay. Uh okay, I you got that's funny. That's funny. Okay. Let me look at the math here. The distance to is this doesn't make sense here. Because we're just getting the distance. Yeah, looking at this, we're just getting the distance. And we're getting the distance between the target actor location and the pawn's actor location, which is the AI pawn. And we're actually getting a float distance. if distance to target is less than, let me read this and let me rethink about this. Target distance is, and set that value in here. If, let's see, if we're too far, are we within range? Let's say the distance right now is 100, 1800. 1800 is less than 1200, which is false. Okay. 1800 is greater than or equal to the target distance, which is 100, which to it is about 60, which comes out true. Okay. We're too far, but we're not and we're not close enough. So instead of that, we have to make this, it has to be distance of this, target distance of this. Okay. I think I got it now. Yeah. Okay. Let's try that now. Okay. Let's say we're too. Now we say we're too close. That means it's going not the not the direction I wanted to go. Okay, at least we got this right. However, we get close, it's going the wrong. It's going the wrong direction. I mean, it's not going the wrong direction. I think the map I'm giving it is not correct. Which I'm looking at, it's like, is it giving it the filter we want? Around the query, are we giving it the right? Query numbers, is it after item? Okay. Navigation filters, are we grabbing the right one? However, I'm repeating this myself over and over again because right now I just trying to figure out the thing. Unreal Engine environment can't see the. Oh, there we go. Trace. Lock actor on visibility. No, that's not it. Okay, we are getting the query information, single best item. Then there's this move location. Wait. Okay, we got that. And so our move location is a. Nope. Nope. Sorry, I'm kind of skimming. I'm kind of skimming forward because I'm trying to find. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to find the value. I'm trying. I'm trying to figure out how it gets the vector. And right now, it's like I have it set up. I have it set up correctly, but I don't think I have it set up to get the vector for some reason. I am. Okay. Let me test that one. Okay. Okay, let me think about this. Let me think about this. Context player, distance to. No. Action. Well, let's test this out real quick. Okay, so it's working. This is getting called, and it is getting the active location of the rest. Okay, so that is being called. Is that, but is that something that's getting outputted? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make create a new task real quick. I'm gonna call this test. And what this test task is going to do, it's going to execute a task, but it's also going to grab a variable that's going to get a blackboard key. And oh, wait, where'd it go? Here we go. New variable. Vector key. We want this exposed. Get as a vector. We're going to print the string. Finish execute. Test complete. We go in here. Get the test tag. Grab this bad boy. Grab target location, and it should print me out the target location. Okay, it's printing out 000. So we're not. So what's telling me this is it's not doing anything. It's not returning a. It's not returning a certain info we need here. Which kind of sucks right now. Never have I been this quiet. Well, I have been this quiet for a while. for a while. Okay. We only want this. We want the score only. Okay. We want to. No, I got it. Unreal Engine. How to get vector. Okay, so run query, doesn't delay, get queries, result. And not returning a, I don't think it's returning a result. From behavior tree. But you haven't yet, bro. Ooh. Okay. All things it talks about EQS. It doesn't say if it's actually if it's actually saying the best value of it. Is what I care about right now. I mean, I understand EQS, but I haven't used I have used EQS way before. It's just I don't know if if I need to do something to for it to get me the vector value of it. Wait. Okay. Okay. I don't need to do anything special. It's just I don't need to do anything special. It's just gonna set the. It's gonna do that. All right. Wait. Actor of class generate set actors around the AI. That's okay. Let me actually do it in here. All right. It's only running away from. Oh my god. Okay, I think I closed it down by accident. I think I closed it down by rage. By in this case, like, ooh. Okay. Okay. Wait, these are actors. Ugh. Okay. Joe. Yeah. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. Let's try this. Run query. Run EQ. Okay. This is what it looks like when I'm doing if I'm getting crazy. True, do this. False. Print out. No queries. Okay. Okay. Count array of queries. Once done, hit complete. I got it. Fake. Okay. All right. It gave me one. Wait a sec. Is it getting the target location? Yep. And moving the target location into here, right? Right. Okay. Debug. Take me there. Give us a 60 duration. The radius of 12. Thickness of 2. I want to know, where is it going? Okay, that's the best location you could go, but you're not going there. Why? Okay. Okay, because for some reason the target location is set itself back to 000. Let me test something real quick. We're definitely getting the blackboard. We're definitely getting the key, but it's not. It's not help. It's not moving it. Like, hmm. Okay. All right. There's left one more thing I need to do again. Create another goddamn blackboard key test. Because it's not I mean, it's supposed to do it, but it's not doing it. I'm just confused why it's not doing it. Like, is the information... Oh, okay. All right. So here's what. So here's what's supposed to happen. Wherever we got from here needs need to be needs to be printed here. But what for but for whatever reason, the target actor, the target location vector is not being saved in, and it's just saying it back to 000. I don't have any... I don't have any way to know if we have a way to see the blackboard, but it's like it's like we get the blackboard location, and we try and check if the same blackboard is there, and it's there, but it's not like being saved. Let me ask. Let me go online. Let me go back here and say, blackboard key not saved. In the behavior tree editor, select the node that uses any of the blackboard values. Look at the details to the right. Okay. Not... Is there anything that's telling it to change that value to 000? I mean, it doesn't look like it. 9:20, and we're trying to get the AI to work, and it's not moving. I mean, it's moving, but it's not moving to the right point. Maybe add to the mechanic that it will self-detonate when you approach it. I definitely know it's working because these are being drawn, and these are being pointed out that you can go over here. Also, as much as I want to like try to have a self detonate, it's not what not what's being asked of me to do. What's asked me to do is actually when it gets close, it needs to run away, and I know it can run away, and I know it can do that, but it's not actually however, it's not saving the. It's not doing what we want it to do. Let's see. I'm just kind of looking back here and saying, why were y'all able to be able to do what y'all are able to do, and yet we're not able to do what we're supposed to. We're not able to do what we're supposed to do. Think, man, think. I'm not gonna like. I have no other. I got no other ideas come in my head. There were better ways of doing this. Wait. Can I? No? Okay, let's not worry about that. Let's just do this. It'll come up with nothing. Hold on a second. Range. Come back here. Target location. Okay. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Like perfector. Okay. And okay. Okay, so I'm seeing that I'm seeing that this is being, yeah. You know what? Let's have it called breakpoint. Okay. Wait a second. I don't know why. I have a sneaking. Oh my god. I figure know why. I figure know why I'm getting 000. I figure know why. I'm not. I'm gonna hate myself for this. I'm gonna hate myself for this. Oh my god. Here's what happened. Target location set value as vector. Target location. That's already set to 0. This is getting called on tick multiple times, giving us 000 multiple times. Even though I have everything set up correctly, it's getting 000 multiple times. It's been getting updated. I mean, I'm kicking myself in right now that I didn't thought about going into my code right now, but cause I know it works. There we go. Now it's running away. It's running away in a different direction. Oh my god. Now it's doing exactly what I wanted to do. Okay. Let me change the bot movement real quick. Yep. Not perfect, but it's working. Okay, maybe let's have it move a bit more quicker. Okay. So I can actually finally say, I got this working. I got it working now. Oh my god. Uh, it feels so. I think so too. It feels a little, feels annoying as well. Let's see. I want to go ahead. I want to test out a bit more and see what else can I change here. Bit too annoying, I think. I can't reach him. I think that's a bit annoying, but I can't reach him. But I figured something I could play around with it a little bit. Let me skill issue. How dare you tell me that this skill issue? I don't. I could turn this thing back around if I want to. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay. So I know this is working. Let's run EQS again. Get target location. And let's actually, for right now, break these links. Break these links and see how this fares. Because what's supposed to happen right now is like, wait. Hello. Single best I am 5%. It should be able to move away. It's not. It's kind of strange. It's not saying to. Is it not? Is not doing its thing. Let me think about it. Let me look at and break mode for a second. Save. Okay. You apparently don't like that. Which is weird. It's like, here's target location and it's telling me invalid information, I guess. Because it's not giving us the, one second, let's try again. Alright, why do we have more of you guys? What would this mean? Okay, that's just annoying. I mentioned that too, but like I think it might be way too difficult. But I do want to say I was able to get exactly what is asking for, minus the laser. But the laser for this is actually it's just the large beam that shoots. Actually, hold on a second. It's not tracing all the it's not tracing all the players. Let me go back into the enemy because it's not doing exactly what I was hoping for it to do. Wait. Okay, so what's happening here? If I'm looking over this, it's getting bot 1 and bot 2. They're getting tracked on this attack, I think. Which I think that is a little weird. Okay. Huh. You're probably saying, wait, why? The reason why we want to get this is okay because we want it to trade. We do want it to get every actor that's in that box. We want to know if it's actually hitting or not. I'm also trying to also trying to find this little weird that it's not actually calling the trace often. I mean, it's like it's supposed to do this, yeah. It's supposed to do the trace like exactly like this, but it's not exactly getting the it's not exactly getting the correct distance. I mean, not it's not tracing. It's not tracing. There are times there's tracing. There's times it's not tracing. There's times that it is tracing, and there's times it is not tracing. Okay. Those times I'm going to figure out why. Probably be under its laser attack. Maybe it's being called at certain times, maybe. Wait. Attack and delay. I figure out why. I think it was doing the attack, but I think top action was was not actually calling its action because it was not cleared yet. Okay. I wonder if that's actually even fair. Let me change it. Let me change the. Let me just change some stuff. The width needs to be about 50. This definitely gets the player moving. Let's see. That's a lot. Oh my god, that's a lot to play around with. Let's see. What else I want to do? Slow moving, but have powerful attacks and a large area effect. All right. Couple things first. Let me change the. Let me change these names. I have them named something like this: Bot and Jailer, but their actual names are Sentry. This is just a go. This is the guard. Now, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to duplicate this one and rename this guard to Golem. And it's basically just this guard but larger. So I think the way I'm going to have to I think I'm going to have to change this is scaling this by 2. And I do need to change the color of this. Let's change this to be a bit more reddish. For the time being, and change its capsule component to be a bit more larger. Okay, good news. I don't have to change the change this guy to be that large at all. Let me change the health to be 60. Attack to be 10. It's already slow. Its actual name. 1080 Evergreen TY edition. That's okay. That's an idea. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see about that. Let's see. Its attack is a slam, so it's just basically this. There's this with a not cone but a on indicator circle. And we'll give a raise. The raise is gonna be just basically the width. Circle, 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 circle. No, it's sphere. Here we go. Sphere time. Its position is going to be based on the player's location, and there's going to be one trace. It's not going to be a fan. It's going to be a spear. We already have made a spear already, and we have a. We don't have a size. Let's go back to Golem. Let's go back into action, and we're going to change. Have this action named Slam Attack. There we go. That is so small. Okay. Also, I think the beard thing is not actually working. Let me actually go in my player, look into its attack. Say that's probably why it's not doing any damage. Is why I say quietly. Also, where the attack arrow came from? Okay. And before we do any of this, this needs to be set up because it is important. We need to change the. Oh no, not change. We need to add the location because we're going to need the actual location for this one. There we go. Okay, that might be way too big. That might be way too big. I mean, not the not the not the spawning care circle, but the but something else. The hit indicator. Let me find it. Hmm. Okay, the me just hitting it makes it make this more of a pushover. So how do we uh, how do we make this a bit more threatening? Um, the way we make this more threatening is we give it more we give it a certain type of armor. Maybe. Let me think about armor real quick because that's something we also discussed. Uh, because we wanted to add because we wanted to actually have some kind of blockage on hit. I think we don't have that kind of we don't have that set up yet. The way enemies and player takes damage is somewhat in here. So let's see. It's done. Ground friction. It bounced up. It launches up. It gets stunned. Okay. Hmm. Maybe add surprise attack on. Uh, we'll think about it, but we don't. But then again, I think it's way too early to think about it right now. But at the moment, I'm gonna tell you, I think I'm good at the moment. I mean, it's really it's getting late, and I really need to be able to take get rest. So that's about all I have. So couple things we did real quick. We have enemies. We have well we have enemies, but we now have sentries, kind of workable. Just need to be able to change the thing. It can move around. It can get close. It can shoot lasers this far. We have a golem that's slow and does this, and that's basically and that's kind of basically it. Right now we don't have any armor, and that's something we're discussing and see if we can get. So we're going to I'm going to try to get the armor get taken care of. I'm gonna have to show this to my guy, see how he thinks about this, and see if that's if it's something that something that we're looking at or we need to change. Other than that, I think that's it for right now. Oh, and y'all aren't able to hear the music, but that's fine. I don't think we need to worry about the music that much. But either way, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'm JW the Wanderer. I make games on this stream, so if you like this stream, please follow me on Twitch or subscribe to me on YouTube. And with that, I'll see y'all later. All right, bye bye.